In this video, I'm going to teach you how to blur a shape in Canva. So the first thing that you need to do is log into your Canva account, and you will either be taken to the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. Now, from wherever you are, navigate over to the left-hand column of menu options and look for projects and click on it when you find it. Now, when you do this, Canva will present all of the projects that you're currently working on. So navigate over to the project that you would like to blur a shape for. And you may have noticed that Canva does not allow you to blur shapes. So what you need to do instead is have your shape on a blank page, like a blank design, and from there look over to the top right corner and click on share, and then come down to download and click on download, and make sure that the file type in the file type drop down is a PNG. Leave the size as it is, and make sure that you check transparent background and leave compress file unchecked and leave limit file size unchecked. And once you're ready to download it, click on download, and Canva will start preparing the download in the bottom right corner. Once it is done, you'll be able to find it in your device. So what we need to do next is we need to click on the home icon in the top left corner, and from there we now need to re-upload this downloaded design. So from your home dashboard, navigate over to the left-hand column again, except this time go to the very top and click on create. And when you do this, Canva will open up the create a design window in the center of your screen, and you need to focus on the left side of this window and scroll all the way down until you get to upload, and click on upload, and Canva will present you with two options to upload files and upload folder. We're going to click on upload files. When you do this, your device's file explorer or browser will open up, and you quickly just need to locate the shape that you originally downloaded as a transparent image and click on open. And when you do that, you'll be presented with a preview of the image. So now click on edit image, and within the edit image we have a bunch of settings and sections that we can work on, such as the select area section, crop section, the pixel eraser section, tools, filters, and shadows, which are effects. For today, we're going to be focusing on the tools. So click on see all next to the tools, and from there, under the section titled Reimagine, click on the Magic Edit option, and you will see a section called Select Area to Edit. Below that section, Describe Your Edit is what we're focused on. Click into that prompt field and type in, please blur the image. And once you've typed that in, click on generate. Something to note is it's always better to be more specific, but just for the sake of the tutorial, I'm keeping it quite simple so this doesn't end up taking too long. So Canva is making the edit, and we're just going to quickly wait for it to give us our blurred image. And there we have it. So once you're ready, come to the top right corner, click on save. And now our blurred image has been saved to our uploads folder inside of projects. So if we click on the blurred image and we go back and we click on the original image, we can clearly see that the shape has been blurred. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and if there's anything that I may have missed, or if there's anything that you didn't understand during the tutorial, or any questions you may have, please feel free to drop them in the comment section of the video and I will respond to them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video.